Hi, I'm Adrienne from Sew PDF, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to use the burrito roll method in order to sew a lined sleeveless bodice. The first step is to sew your shoulder seams together for both your main and lining fabrics. At that point, they're going to look like this. So your main and lining bodices are right sides together, and you're going to pin the neck all the way around, matching up the shoulder seams, and then sew it. After it's sewn, you want to clip the curves so that they lay nicely when you turn it right side out. After turning it right side out, give it a good press, and then you're ready to do your burrito roll. Start on one side at the armhole. With both layers, roll them tightly together towards the other armhole. When you get to the other shoulder, fold your main and lining armholes around all the fabric so they're right sides together and pin them together. Then you're going to sew and clip the curves. Turn your bodice right side out again through the shoulder strap. Then you're ready to do the other side. You're going to start rolling from the already sewn side this time towards the other armhole. After that other armhole is sewn, turn it right side out, and then take your side seams and match them together, main fabric to main fabric, lining to lining. Pin and sew. Repeat this on the other side and you're all done. A perfect lined sleeveless bodice. Here's what mine looks like with a simple circle skirt. This is a super easy project. And if you'd like to know more about how to sew this particular dress, check out this video next. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more sewing tutorials.